All right, everybody, I know you've been seeing me working in the MPC Live 2 for a while, but I kind of went back to the Maschine Plus, and I've been noticing there's a couple changes since the last update. So let's get into what I found out. And Native Instruments has kind of made it easier for you to find sounds that may be lost in other files. So say like you're trying to upload a program, and then what happens is once you load that program, it can't necessarily find the sound. We're going to look at how you can locate your sound if you have missing files.
All right.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Daysuncivil. I want you to take a look at this right here. Let's go to a program, right? What I've noticed is if you go to a program, you may come up to something like this where your program can't find some of its sounds. So here's what you can do, and this is based on the last update. What you would do is you would go and you would click on Locate. Now, let me get a little closer so you can see. Let me zoom in. So you see here, here's the kit. And it's telling you that you need to go in these folders to look for that sound. We want the Perks One Shot 355. So I'm going to scroll down to this folder right here where it says Perk One Shots. Hit my button. Then I'm going to just drag down and I'm looking for that 355 Perks. Okay. That's 2 something. See what this one is. There it is right there. See if I can make that more clear for y'all. There it is right there. So I'm going to hit load. After I hit load, boom, it's in there.